What if I told you that somewhere out in the dark, cold vacuum of space, the universe is quietly deleting itself? Not just destroying planets or swallowing stars, but erasing the very code of reality, forever. This isn't science fiction. It is the most terrifying problem in modern physics. It broke Albert Einstein's theories, it haunted Stephen Hawking, and it proves that our understanding of reality is entirely wrong. Welcome to the Black Hole Information Paradox. To understand why physicists are terrified, you need to know the one golden rule of quantum mechanics. Information can never be destroyed. Imagine you burn a book. To human eyes, the story is gone. But to the universe, it isn't. If you had a supercomputer powerful enough to track every single atom of smoke, every particle of ash, and every wave of heat, you could reconstruct the book perfectly. The information of that book still exists. The universe never forgets. But then, we discovered black holes, the ultimate cosmic monsters, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. So, what happens if we throw our book into a black hole? It crosses the event horizon, the point of no return. For a long time, scientists thought, okay, the book is locked inside forever. The information is hidden, but it's still there. No problem, right? But then, we discovered black holes, the ultimate cosmic monsters, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Wrong. In 1974, Stephen Hawking dropped a bomb on the scientific world. He realized that black holes aren't entirely black. They leak. Over trillions of years, they emit a faint glow of particles, now known as Hawking radiation, and slowly, atom by atom, the black hole evaporates, until eventually, it disappears completely. So, what happens if we throw our book into a black hole? It crosses the event horizon, the point of no return. For a long time, scientists thought, okay, the book is locked inside forever. The information is hidden, but it's still there. No problem, right? But then, we discovered black holes, the ultimate cosmic monsters, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Wait, stop and think about what that means. The black hole evaporated. It's gone. But what happened to the book we threw inside? Hawking radiation is completely random. It contains no trace of the book. The book didn't come out, and the black hole is no longer there to hold it. The information is gone, deleted from the universe. This is the paradox. If information can be lost, quantum mechanics completely collapses. All of modern physics breaks down. We either have to admit that we know absolutely nothing about the universe, or something even crazier is happening. Physicists have spent decades fighting over this, and their best solution might be weirder than the paradox itself. It's called the holographic principle. Some scientists believe that when the book falls into the black hole, the information doesn't fall inside. It gets flattened and smeared across the surface, the event horizon, like a two-dimensional barcode. The 3D book inside is just a projection of the 2D data on the surface. And if a black hole acts like a hologram, it begs the ultimate question. What if our entire 3D universe is just a holographic projection of a distant, two-dimensional reality? The universe is far stranger than we can possibly imagine. Are we just information written on the edge of reality? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to keep exploring the glitches in our universe, hit subscribe. Until next time, stay curious.